Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kevon She, and I am back with a bonus video for this week. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this 2-braid look. So if you would like to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. So first we're going to start by making our parts, and while I was in the shower I allowed the steam to just penetrate my hair because my hair was pretty dry from being in those braids all week. And then I just wet my hands and rubbed it over my hair and directly where I knew I would be making my parts, just so the hair could separate a little bit. Like I said, my hair was in those braids all week and I had just been using Eco Styler gel on my edges, so the flakes that you're seeing are a combination of that gel and a little bit of dandruff because it is time to wash my hair. So I'm taking that Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to slick my hair back on the sides so that I can get ready to bun the back ponytail. And in case anybody's wondering, no, I didn't lose any edges or anything like that. I still have almost all of my baby hair on the front of my hairline as well as the back. So
the first place I went to was Diesel Barber Shop, and it was $45 for a lineup. Right? Alright, okay, thank you, bye.
Bye. So just gonna finish up detangling the front of my hair and applying that gel. And here I'm just using my rat tail comb to just scoop out any dandruff and any of those flakes. Again, I'm not too worried about everything being super clean because I need to do my hair this weekend. So now I'm just gonna take one of those braiding bundles, and it was still attached to its own rubber band, and I'm just gonna wrap my own hair around that ponytail in the back just to hide it. And here I'm just going to take some bobby pins to secure my hair in place before beginning to braid the ponytail in the back. And I was going to a club and I knew it was going to be dark, so I wasn't too worried about the back ponytail blending perfectly to make it look like it was extending from my actual hair. And because I wanted loose ends, I'm just tying that end off with a rubber band. And here I just added some extra security with another ponytail holder, just so my hair wouldn't come flying off. And now I'm gonna go start working on the front. Now for the front, since it's like the first thing people are gonna see, I just used the regular 3-strand braiding method instead of tying the rubber band around my own hair, just so it'll look a little bit more natural. And I'm just going in here and braiding that. And I'm also going to be tying that off on the end as well. And here I'm just getting rid of any loose strands and just yanking those off. And now going into the baby hairs and just using that same Eco Styler gel to just make sure everything is sleek and in place. And at this point in time, I was already like 30 minutes late to picking up my friend, so my baby hairs aren't as detailed as I would have liked them. But if anybody was wondering how I lay my baby hairs, this is how I do it when I'm rushing. It's just super quick and super simple. And my sideburn hairs just never grow past this length, so I just go ahead and twirl those. And I'm also going to do it on this side as well. Like, I've cut my hair off 7 times and that hair just never grows beyond that length. And can't forget the front. And just go ahead and brush those back. And like I said, just twirling that off. And this is the final look. I hope that you enjoy it, and I will see you next Wednesday in my next video.